Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Gudetama Remint blind boxes. I have a whole box here, but as you can see, it was already opened. I found it at Barnes & Noble. I had my 10% off member discount and a 15% off special holiday weekend coupon, so yeah, I got them all. But one box was missing when I got there, and I found this one on a shelf, and I hope that that is the right one. And it looks like someone took a look in this one, so they kind of beat me to it. But I love Gudetama, the cutest little lazy egg. So we're gonna try anyway to get the whole set. Let's start with this one. Now this is the one that I found on the shelf, so if order matters, I don't know if this is the right order. On the front of the box, it says Gudetama in Japanese. On the side, you can see 4 of the items available in the collection. He can be on a bowl and toast. That is a really cool plate right there. Are those beans? On the other side, wow, I love the plates. This one has a little flag. This one has some noodles. And I think on that one, he's on bacon. I don't know the names of all of these dishes, but it's gonna look really cool in our photos. Because a lot of the remint stuff is the perfect size for the dollhouse. Okay, I can't wait anymore. Let's see what is inside of this one. Oh, the anticipation. It is... Oh, that's cool. It's the bacon. It kind of looks like some kind of muffin, bacon, and eggs. However, the scale for this one is actually kind of large. The size of the plate is more like a serving platter for a 12-inch doll. But I'm probably going to use it anyway. Whatever. Box number 2. As long as I get no doubles, I will be very, very happy today. So here goes nothing. Oh, it's the noodles. There is a large black bowl, and we place the noodles inside to see Gudetama wrapped up in some noodles. Yeah, the scale is definitely larger. And there is a little difference in quality here. Here is some bacon from another set, and in my opinion, it is very realistic. Now, if this is supposed to be bacon, which I think it is, they definitely look different. But the back of the box does say actual item may differ slightly from the photo shown on the package. And inside of the box, there is a little collector's card showing all of the items in the collection, and we have 7 and 8 so far. Ooh, maybe there's a pattern, and the next box will be number 4. Only one way to find out. I'm pretty much just gonna rip this box open and find out if my theory is true. It is? No, it's not it, and it's a double. So now we have 2, and even here, the bacon looks different. Okay, what is with me and this bacon? Leave the bacon alone. Moving on, forget the bacon. Just keep going. But if you are looking for some awesome bacon, then the Gudetama Cafe is a good one. Okay, that's enough about the bacon.
Huh, is that Eggs Benedict? I don't know the name of food. I just eat it.
We have doubles, and now we know that we don't have a complete set, so let's see what we do have. This is the one that has already been opened. I made sure there was something inside before I left the store, but I didn't spoil the surprise, so I don't know what it is. It is... It's the toast! We have a large plate with a really pretty ruffled edge, some lettuce. It's actually pretty cool looking. And toast, that should go right on top of the lettuce, and the egg. I really like all of the details. You can see all of the little nooks and crannies in the bread. The lettuce looks great, and he's kind of like falling off the edge. That is so cute. 4 down, 4 to go. I'm kind of nervous now because I know that we don't have the complete set. I really want the rice one. So hopefully we'll have that. This is not the rice one, but it is really cute. You get 4 little Gudetamas here to put on the plate, a leaf, and I think this is a little ball of rice. 3 boxes to go. I'm hoping this is the rice. I think out of all of the sets that I can live without, it's probably the one with the flag because it looks like he's being stabbed in the back, and that's exactly what this one is. There is a large blue oval dish, some rice, which is very detailed. You can see all of the little grains. Gudetama with some red sauce on his back, and the tiny flag. With this one, I feel so sorry for him. Oh, poor little Gudetama. 2 boxes to go. Please let this be the rice. I really want that green rice bowl. Like, seriously. And this is the beans. There is a large blue bowl, and I really like the dishes. They look great in the dollhouse. I think this is beans. And then you can see Gudetama falling into the bowl. And you get a really awesome, perfect little pair of chopsticks that fit right there. So you can position the doll to look like she's holding it. We can do some really cool photos with that. It is time to open our very last box. Is this going to be the green bowl that I want with the rice? Is it? No, it is not. Blind boxes do not like me. You get a white plate with a blue design, and if you look really close, you can see a little tiny Gudetama right there. That's actually really cool. I like this plate. And some tamago sushi. I think that's what this is. Tamago means egg in Japanese, so let's get these 2 to sit next to each other on the plate. Don't they look super happy? This is actually a really cute one to have. The plate is awesome, and they look so adorable and sad at the same time. So we got some doubles, and I didn't get the one that I was hoping for, but I really like all of the dishes. And the scale is better for like a 14 to 16 inch doll. Like a Robert Toner doll, the Madame Alexander Fangirls, Moxie Teen if you got them. You can probably use them for Welly Wishers, although I think it's a little small. Oops. You can probably get away with pull-ups because the size of their head kind of changes the scale. And Spirit Riding Free dolls look pretty good too. So you can just keep that in mind when looking at this collection. If you are Gudetama crazy, we found a vinyl figure at Barnes & Noble. It was $13.95. Remember, like I said earlier, I had all these awesome coupons. The box shows 8 different ones. We got Let Me Go, I Can't, Brr, Sigh, Not Quite, So What, Burp, Meh. Love him. Let's see which one is inside. Oh, goodness gracious. There we go. And you can't tell by looking at the packaging. I'm trying to guess what it is. I feel a shell. I do feel a shell, so it could be I Can't, which I really like, or it could be Burp. And it is... oh, it's gold. It's Gudetama in a golden egg. He has a golden bonnet, and he comes out. That's pretty cool. And you get a little card inside the box. Thank you for joining us while we opened Gudetama blind boxes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.